My name is Roberto Balbuena. I am 20 years old. I was born in Chiquinquirá on July 15. I live in Chiquinquirá. I am studying electronic engineering. I like playing video games and soccer. I like ride bike every day. I am going to talk about picture of Our Lady and of Rosary in my city. In this picture you can see our basilica. It is named Basilica Our Lady of the Rosary of Chiquinquirá. In this basilica we can found the most important picture of the Our Lady in Colombia. This religious picture has 486 years. It was painted by Alfonso de Narváez in 1506. People usually visit our church for praying. People sometimes give flowers and they usually bought reminders of Our Lady of the Rosary.